Alright, I'm going to start here in the Dropbox. I'm going to download the zip files that you sent me. You will probably already have these on your computer, so you'll just use them. And you'll have to download a software called FileZilla. It's an editing, or not an editing, but a server software that lets you log on to a server and upload files. So you'll see I downloaded the files here, and I'm not going to unzip them. I'm just going to go ahead and open up FileZilla so I can drag them over. And I'll give you the server login information, so you could, when you get FileZilla open, you'll have to log in with the information here, and I'll show you where, or I'll give you a call and I'll tell you where to enter the host username and password. So you'll see I'm logging in with the information here, because I already have it preloaded. So then I'll find the flexdraw.com folder, double click it, and then the CAD files folder here. Open that, and you'll see we're working with N series. So I'm going to do a test, because I already did the FLH. So I'm going to make FLH, another FLH folder here. So to make a folder, and already see, as you can see, I already did the FLHs here. So I'm going to do a dummy folder. So you'll do enter directory, or create directory, sorry, and then name the directory whatever the whatever it is. I did FLH2, but if yours is EX, or whatever it is, that's what you'll name that folder. So I'm going to drag all of these files into the folder that I just created. I called it FLH2 just because I don't want to overwrite the folder that I made called FLH. So this is going to take a little while to copy them all over. So I'm just going to pause this audio until it's done. Okay, looks like we're just about done transferring files here. So that means all the files are on the server and the spot that we're going to keep the CAD files in. So you see I'm going to select all the files, and I'm going to right click and copy URLs to clipboard. So it's going to copy all the URLs to all of those different files to the clipboard. I'm going to open up WordPad. And then I'm going to paste all of the files, or all the URLs, into WordPad. Now once all the files are into WordPad, I need to get rid of that link because I just want a list of the file names. So I'm going to select everything before the file name, and I'm going to go up to replace, and I'm going to replace the file name, or I'm going to replace the link with nothing. So don't put anything in that second box, just press replace all, and then it'll give us a list of file names. So I'm going to go all the way to the top and give the IGS because that's the first file name that we'll be using. And so I'm going to log into the website here. So it's flexdraw.com/wp-admin, and again I'll email you the login information for this, but the username is hosepower. And just press login. Okay, so we're going to go, we're not going to add new. I accidentally added new here, but we're going to go back to, just go to all posts. And after we get to all posts, you're going to see something here called, well, I'm going to just copy one of the old CAD files. So you can go to the top here and go all categories and go to CAD files. I'm going to show you all the CAD file pages. So I'm just going to click new draft because that's going to duplicate that FCC page, and it's going to make another one. So click on new draft, and then you'll name this whatever it was. So it's in series, and I'll show you. It's FLH. So we'll name that in series, and then FLH. Now remember, this is a phantom page, so it's not going to be true. So I'm going to put demo on here. And then don't pay attention to what I'm doing right now. This is I'm going to do it a different way to be easier for you, I think, to do it this way. So go up to you'll go up to Visual Builder right here. Use Visual Builder. It's down. I'm looking in the wrong area here, but it's the big blue button right there. So I'm going to publish it first, just so we don't lose the page. So Visual Builder, and then you'll see it pop up. And it's going to pop up and look like the website. So if you just, once it pops up, we need to go over the IGS because that's the file types we're working on. So if I hover over IGS, you'll see it gives me a little menu where I can hit the gear. So we're going to delete out the old stuff. So just copy it and delete it. Then we're going to go back to our WordPad, and we're going to copy. I cut it out just so I can keep track of what I've done and what I haven't, and then paste it in there. Then with websites, you have to press Shift Enter to drop down a line. So press Shift Enter, and then I'll copy the next one or cut it. Go back, paste it, Shift Enter. It'll drop me down a line. I'm going to cut that out. Press Shift Enter, drop me down line, paste it in. Go down to the next IGS. Cut it out. Shift Enter, paste it in. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get all of the IGSs in. Now that I have all of the IGSs in, I need to put links on them. So I'll go to the first IGS in the FileZilla folder we made and copy the link and paste it in. But we need to remove the server information. So where it says dreamhost.com all the way back to SFTP, we need to replace that with https://www dot. And I'm going to copy this just so I can use it in the next one. So I'll highlight that, click the link, paste, and then I'm just going to replace the file name with the correct one. So this needs to be 08-12. So I'll just change that to 0812, and the rest of our link will be the correct link because we just changed it. And then move down to the next one, which is 1012. Paste that in. Change N08 to N10-12 and press OK. And that's going to be the process of adding the links to the page. I'll do another one or two here and then I'll move on to show you how to do JPEG, and it's basically just the same thing with JPEG or SAT, you know. So I'll delete the old JPEGs out, go in here, copy the new JPEG in. So here I'm going to copy the URL to clipboard for the JPEG, and then I'll do the same thing, highlight it, paste it in, and since this is the first one, we got to take out the server information, which is the everything up to masthead 3.4. Delete that out, type in https://www dot, and then there's the link. Now I'm going to copy it so I can use it in the next JPEG file. Highlight this, paste it in, and then change the number to make it match the part number. And that's how we add the files on the page. So when you're done with all of them, just hit that check mark and then go back up to Exit Visual Builder, all the way up at the top. And then save and exit. And then you'll go to Edit Post. And this is where we have, or go to CAD files, I'm sorry. So this is where we have the FLH, and you'll see here I don't have the images on here for all of the FLHs, but on the FLH there is a link on it, so I'll click that and it'll take you to the FLH page that I already created. So what you'll do is just type in, or you'll copy the link to the page that you just created, and I'll show you here in a second how to do that. So you'll hover over FLH and go to that little gear and go down to link. And the link to the page you just created, you'll put it in there. And that's how you put a link on the in-series selection page. So this is all the in-series CAD files, and we've done E-series, I think V and VS. So that is, as you can see, I clicked that link and it would have brought us to the page that you just created. If this hadn't been a dummy demonstration. And if you don't, this is right there is where you get the link of the file that you just created. So you can just right click on that and copy link address, and that's where you'll paste in where I showed you earlier. I'll probably go back to it here and try and show you again. So on this page, you'll paste it right there where it said, and I'll go back up here to enable Visual Builder so I can show you how to do this again. That was the link you copied. It took me to the wrong page here. We need to be on this page and then go to Enable Visual Builder. And where it says FLH, and we'll scroll down to, on the FLH there, we'll go to the gear, and down on link, that's where we will paste the link in. So had this been the link that we just copied, it would have pasted it in there. And then you go up to Exit Visual Builders, Save and Exit. And that's basically how we do it. I know you'll probably have some questions on this. So my number is 904-222-1148. When you try and do this the first time, we'll probably have to talk so I can walk you through it. But after you do it 1 or 2 times, you know you'll get it just like anything else. All right, thanks. See you.